Welcome to Doony Kids.
Hello! Today we will learn about some name of vegetables. What is this? This is potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. What is this? This is onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. What is this? This is carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. What is this? This is brinjal or eggplant. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. Eggplant. E-G-G-P-L-A-N-T. Eggplant. What is this? This is cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. What is this? This is cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. What is this? This is cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. What is this? This is spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. What is this? This is tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. What is this? This is lettuce. L-E-T-T-U-C-E. Lettuce. What is this? This is broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. What is this? This is capsicum. C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M. Capsicum. What is this? This is green beans. G-R-E-E-N. B-E-A-N-S. Green beans. What is this? This is corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. What is this? This is pumpkin. P What is this? This is rich gourd. R I D G E T. G O U R D. Rich gourd. What is this? This is pointed gourd. P O I N T E D. G O U R D. Pointed gourd. What is this? This is mushroom. M U S H R O O M. Mushroom. What is this? This is lady's finger. L A D Y S. F I N G E R. Lady's finger. What is this? This is pea. P E A. Pea. What is this? This is ginger. G I N G E R. Ginger. What is this? This is garlic. G A R L I C. Garlic. What is this? This is radish. R A D I S H. Radish. What is this? This is beetroot. B E E T. R O O T. Beetroot. What is this? This is green chili. G R E E N. C H I L L I. Green chili. What is this? This is sweet potato. S W E E T P O T A T O. Sweet potato.